In this video, I'm going to show you how I make money back every time that I shop on Jumia with no voucher needed. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get some cash back from Jumia every single month and not have to spend your own money. So let's get started. Now, if you're like me, you probably tend to order a lot of stuff online and you're always looking for a way to save money and in some cases get your money back if you can. And like I said, if you're like me, you most likely are always looking for vouchers and ways you can actually use vouchers whenever you're shopping. But if there's one thing that we know, is actually that vouchers do not last for long and they don't actually exist all the time. So that means there are some times that we'll actually save money shopping and there are some times that we will not save money shopping. So we end up spending a lot of money on shopping. But with this way that I'm actually going to tell you right now, you would always get money back whenever you shop online and especially on Jumia. Now, how am I able to do this? How I'm able to do this is with Jumia JFORCE. It's called the Jumia JFORCE. Now you'll be wondering, what is the Jumia JFORCE? Good question. Jumia JFORCE is actually an opportunity that Jumia has presented to us, we avid shoppers who actually shop a lot, to be able to get some money back whenever we shop on the platform. So it's very, very simple. Whenever you buy, Jumia sends you some money back. It's that simple. So since I've been a JFORCE member for about 2 years right now, every single time that I shop on Jumia, I always tend to get some money back in my account. So it's as simple as me shopping for what I want and then at the end of the month, Jumia sending me some money back. It's that simple. Now, that's all cool, right? So you make money whenever you shop. But how do I actually make money when I don't shop? So basically, Jumia still sends me money at the end of every month. How do I actually do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. That's by shopping for other people. Yes, I'm talking about using other people's money to actually shop for what they want, have it delivered to them, and then Jumia pays you the cash back for that. So how does this work? How do you actually do this? Well, it's actually very simple. What you do is, at first, you go to the Jumia's website, look for products that are on good deals, that actually have good prices on them. So what you want to do is, after you found that product, take the picture, upload it on your WhatsApp status, upload it on your Facebook page, upload it wherever you think people will be very interested in the product. And once they see it and they show interest, then what you do is go on the website and then you actually go ahead and start purchasing the item. But here's what you actually do before you purchase the item. When you are at the checkout stage, that is after clicking on buy and you want to go ahead and check out, that means you want to pay or have the order process. Now you will notice that the very first information that you have on that checkout page is your address information. What you want to do is change that address information to the customer's information. So what you want to make sure to do is, before you and the potential buyer actually conclude on what to do, or once you guys are finalized at, okay, they agree with the price and they actually want to go ahead and buy the item, what you do is collect their name, collect their address, and then their phone number, because that's very important. That's what you're actually going to fill in the address detail. So when you see that, you're going to click on change address. That's the very first thing you're going to see. Click on change address and then click on add a new address. And then after you click on add a new address, then what you want to do is click on save. And then after you save that address, then what you want to do is use that address. Instead of Jumia shipping it to you now, then they're going to be shipping it to that interested buyer. So after that, you're done. That is all you just needed to do. And then once that order has been placed, Jumia will handle the rest from there. Jumia will actually ship the item and then have it delivered to that customer. Then once the customer receives it and then they actually like the product, Jumia pays you at the end of the month for that product. So basically you're getting the cash back for that product. Now, with that being said, how do you sign up? How do you actually start making money back from Jumia? Signing up is actually very easy, but it's actually not as straightforward as going to a website and then signing up. Before you actually get started on Jumia JFORCE, you actually need to be a member of a team. So if you're interested in signing up with Jumia JFORCE, you need to be on a team for you to be able to get the perks of being a JFORCE member. So luckily for you, I'm a member of the JFORCE, obviously. So in the description below, I'm going to have a link to my WhatsApp group where you can actually join me and other JFORCE members. And then once you get to that group, send me your email with a message showing your interest in joining the JFORCE team. And then I'll definitely sign you up as a member ASAP. Now, make sure that the email you put in is the email that you would use to shop every day, or that you regularly use to shop every day or whenever you shop on Jumia. Because if you put in another email, the email that you currently use would not work. So make sure you put in, or you give me the email that you currently use to shop on Jumia and nothing else. Because if you give me something else, that's what you would actually have to use to shop on Jumia. So head on over there and I'll be expecting you. Now, just because you've signed up doesn't mean your account has actually been activated. So in order to be able to get your account activated, what you need to do is actually purchase or make a total purchase within a month of 5,000 naira on your account to actually get it activated. So that's kind of like a requirement that Jumia requires from you in order to get your account activated. But you've signed up, so it's cool, you've signed up, but in order for you to be able to activate your account, you need to actually make a purchase of at least 5,000 naira. Alright, now, so I've given you 2 different ways for you to get started on JFORCE. So I want you to let me know in the comment section below, which of them right now would you start using right now today? So would you start using it for your personal benefits, or would you start using it to actually shop for other people and then get the cashback? So let me know in the comment section. I'll actually be very interested to know what that is. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And if you would like to support this channel, ways to do that is going to be in the description below. Thank you very much in advance for that, and I'll see you guys next week.